Hello and welcome to day 64 of Bedtime Welsh. And we've got a useful new word for you tonight, because one you haven't done so far tonight. I'm kind of foreshadowing the word. It is, in fact, tonight, because tonight is quite useful when you're talking about television and watching television and doing things and so on. So the Welsh for tonight is heno. Heno. So tonight is
heno.
Heno. So, television tonight is
teledu heno.
teledu heno. And then to watch television tonight is
Gwylio teledu heno.
gwylio teledu heno. And then I want to watch television tonight is
Dwi isio gwylio teledu heno.
dwi isio gwylio teledu heno. And then how about I'm going to watch television tonight?
Dwi'n mynd I wylio teledu heno.
Dwi'n mynd I wylio teledu heno. Did we catch you out with the gwylio, or did you get it right? If you got it right, that's awesome. If you didn't, don't worry. It'll get easier and easier the more you hear it. And now we're going to wrap up today with a monster. A gigantic sentence which you haven't done for ages. So I hope you enjoy this. Can you give me... I want to speak Welsh now, but I can't remember what I wanted to say.
Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg rŵan, ond fedra I ddim cofio beth o'n I isio dweud.
Da iawn. Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg rŵan, ond fedra I ddim cofio beth o'n I isio dweud. If you got any chunks of that right, you're doing superbly. Anytime you can get that right, even if you spent ages practicing tonight to get that one thing right, anytime you get it right, you're doing brilliantly. So, well done. Hope you find heno useful. Try and find a way to say that to your parents or just to yourself at some point tonight. And we'll see you tomorrow for a little bit more. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!
Ta-da!